Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBP USD. So if you have been following my channel throughout this week, right, you have been following me consistently. I said something will happen on GBP USD, and I want you guys to watch out for it, which is a bullish move to come to tap this trend line. I said it previously. I think it was around this level here, though, right? GBP USD was around this level. I said be careful that GBP USD is very much likely to come to tap this trend line. Then it dropped a little bit, and guess what? We had that bullish move. A lot of people were actually selling. I know a lot of people actually were selling, taking hoping to go down and break this lows. But guess what? Price reverses and it took out their stop loss, unfortunately. So now when you take a look at these movements, price has gotten to this our trend line. Is this a sell? Well, with what I'm saying, we need a confirmation. We can't just sell. I mean, when you take a look at this, it came to this our trend line, right? We saw this trend, it dropped. We saw this trend line here. We saw it dropped, came to this trend, it dropped. Now, when you see this movement here, it has gotten to this trend. Is it giving us a confirmation of sell? Right now, no. It has actually it even broke above this trend line. So that means you should be careful selling. All you just want to do is watch for the price and let's see what markets will do next before you go ahead and do that. Because when you take a look at this now, price has broken above it. We can also rule out the fact that this could be a double top, right? Because we all know it is at a crucial level at our trend. As you can see, price came to the same level. We had a drop, we had another level, we had a drop. It will give us a double top or a triple top. As if price eventually breaks above this level, breaks above it, then I will say you should not sell. Personally, I will say just stay away from this trade. If price eventually goes and break above this, then do not even bother to sell. Just stay away from our personally we stay away from this trade. But if in case price just drop and break these lows, right? This double top bottom, will I say the neck or something, whatever. If you can break it, maybe then that can now be as a signal for you to go ahead and sell. So you need to watch out for this crucial level. So we will look at what markets we do on the London session. So London session, we will go to pay attention on this market, see how it behaves and how it moves. Then we will share the signal to the Patreon channel. Down to those of you that are not yet subscribed to the Patreon channel, you can now do that. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Patreon channel. Subscribe. There we'll be putting out high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Higher setup, it is what we'll be putting out on that Patreon channel. So these are a couple of trades we've actually taken so far this week. I'll be putting a link to this playlist of trade in the comment section so you can watch them and confirm by the way. So this week, tomorrow also, which is on sorry today, which is on Friday, we will be looking to also take a trade, probably on GBP USD. That is in the London section. If you can get a good setup, then you go ahead and take that trade today.